one thing. I'm gonna show you how to make a computer and inside add a picture. First, draw a picture. You can draw anything you want. And I want to draw my friends. And me. You know what I'm drawing? If you want to draw same as me, later I will show you what I draw. I need to erase. It's a bigger person. Okay, you see what I draw? And now we are going to make the computer. So, one step is going to fold it like this. And another step, you are going to cut like this. And make sure you don't cut your pencil. I don't know how to do it. Got it? Got it. You have this one and you can make it into an aeroplane. I will show you how to make an aeroplane. And fold it and fold it. Now you're done an aeroplane. And this one, I have two aeroplanes. And now we're going to go like this and like this. So you must fold the computer like this. Make sure side by side. It must be the same side. Yes, I know it! Yes, I know it! Let's count! Okay, now you must go like this. And draw lines and lines and lines. Then you will draw like this. Only on the second, only you need to draw under the first line. Not also on top of the first line. Draw something on the computer before this one. I'm drawing some ugly, so you don't follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14, 15, 16, Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 then. 12. Yeah, I'm gonna just do like this. Nineteen, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 40. C and D. E, F, G, H, Y, and Z. Then done. Then I show you how to do. Just put this picture inside like this is correct form. Bye bye.